Welcome to Houston Real Estate Radio. I'm your host, Shannon Register, and every week we bring you news and information you can use on your next real estate transaction. The information we are bringing you today is really good information to have. Hopefully you won't need it, but you're going to have it in case you ever do. We're going to teach you the difference between the Texas Association of Realtors and the Texas Real Estate Commission, two different organizations that do very different things. So we're going to be talking about the difference between the two today. And, hopefully you never have to complain about anybody in the real estate industry, but if you do, you're going to know where to go after this. So we are going to be talking with a TREC commissioner, and TREC is the Texas Real Estate Commission. We're excited to have Rayito Stephens here in the studio. She's a licensed realtor and broker and lives over in the Pearland area. And during her 21 years in real estate, she's been active in lots of different parts of the industry, including new home construction, and then, of course, in resales. And she specializes in representing buyers and assisting with housing needs for individuals with both physical and mental disabilities, including veterans and those with court-created trust. She's a certified real estate negotiator and a former board member of the Alliance for Multicultural Services in Houston. She was appointed by the governor for a 6-year term to the Texas Real Estate Commissioner. So we're excited to have Commissioner Rayito Stephens here. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you, Shannon, for your invitation.
So, I think that for consumers, this is an important show because we really want them to understand the difference between the Texas Association of Realtors and the Texas Real Estate Commission because they do such different things. They're different entities that do different things. So, let's start off with your position as a commissioner. What do you do? What's your role?
I'm a commissioner, and I would like to tell you a little bit about the Texas Real Estate Commission and how it is composed.
Okay.
The Texas Real Estate Commission is also known as TREC, and it is composed of 9 members appointed by the governor with the concurrence of the Senate. The members are appointed for 6-year terms, and with the terms of 3 members expiring every 2 years. The governor designates the member who will serve as chairman of the commission, and the current chairman is Avis Wukash. She's a great leader.
That's good. All right. So tell us what the commission does.
The mission of the Texas Real Estate Commission is to protect consumers of real estate services in Texas by ensuring that qualified and ethical service providers through education, licensing, and regulation are overseen, thereby safeguarding the public interest while facilitating economic growth and opportunity across Texas.
All right, so you guys regulate not only realtors, but also appraisers and inspectors and other entities as well. So lots of different regulations to a lot of different people that y'all are regulating their license. Okay, so tell me about your appointment as a commissioner and how did that come about?
The position of Texas Real Estate Commissioner is a gubernatorial appointment. Governor Abbott appointed me this past November, and I am humble and honored to be able to serve the people of the great state of Texas. 6 members of the commission must be real estate brokers who have engaged in the real estate brokerage business as their major occupations for at least 5 years preceding the appointment. And 3 members must be members of the general public.
I want to just tell the people that are listening that if you're watching the video, we've chosen not to videotape this whole segment because of privacy for the commissioner, and also just so that you guys listening know, we're just really happy here in Houston to have a commissioner, representing Houston up there at TREC where they meet in Austin. So we're excited about that. So what are real estate professionals in Texas required to do to be in compliance with the Texas Real Estate Commission? Because I think some people don't know, they don't know what's required of realtors.
Yes. Texas Real Estate Commission license holders are required to follow the provisions of the Real Estate License Act and the rules of the Texas Real Estate Commission in all transactions. And I think that to better help your audience, that it would be important at this time to mention that there is a lot of very good information on the TREC website. and I'm going to give you the website so that when you have time, you can look it up and get a lot more information than what we are providing here in your show. TREC for Texas Real Estate Commission, and it is trec.state.tx.us.
Okay, and I think it's also important to tell people at home that all real estate licensees fall under the Texas Real Estate Commission. So you've got different types of real estate licensees. You've got those who are realtors who have chosen to be part of the associations, the Houston Association of Realtors, the Texas Association of Realtors, and the National Association of Realtors. And then you have people who are not realtors, who are real estate agents, who still fall under the commission, who are still licensed. They just are not part of those organizations, and they are not realtors.
Yes.
Okay, so when would a consumer complain to the Texas Real Estate Commission?
If a consumer of real estate services in Texas feels that there has been a violation of the Real Estate Licensing Act or the Texas Real Estate Commission rules or the Residential Service Act or Texas Timeshare Act, then that person has a right to file a complaint. Again, for further clarification on all these acts that I have just mentioned, please visit the website. All these acts are posted, and you will find additional information. By the way, these acts and rules are available. Anyone may file a complaint with the Texas Real Estate Commission concerning the activities of its licensees. Texas law requires that complaints be filed in writing, and they must be signed by the party that is filing the complaint.
No anonymous filing.
No. Complaints can be filed in any written form. The Texas Real Estate Commission has a suggested complaint form available for your convenience. But the Texas Real Estate Commission will not process a complaint if it is unsigned. Also, the agency does not accept anonymous complaints or complaints via email unless a signed complaint form is attached.
Okay.
For further information, please visit the website trec.state.texas.us. Commissioners and staff of the Texas Real Estate Commission are not allowed to provide opinions or legal advice. If you need legal advice, please consult an attorney.
And that's why you're very careful today in what you say, because you can't give any advice and opinion. So we had to be very careful how we crafted this interview. So how is the Texas Real Estate Commission TREC different from the Texas Association of Realtors, TAR? How are they different?
The Texas Real Estate Commission, also known as TREC, is a state agency. It was created in 1949 to establish safeguards for the rapidly expanding field of real estate brokerage. The Texas Real Estate Commission administers 6 laws and adopts new laws. The 6 laws it administers are the Real Estate License Act, license laws for home inspectors, the Texas Appraiser Licensing and Certification Act, the Texas Appraisal Management Company Registration and Regulation Act, and the Residential Service Company Act, and last but not least, the Texas Timeshare Act. Whereas the Texas Association of Realtors, also known as TAR, is a membership association dedicated to enhancing professionalism and educating Texas realtors. It is the largest organization for Texas realtors. And the Texas Association of Realtors offers members benefits such as the legal hotline, exclusive forms, education, and networking opportunities, as well as political advocacy on behalf of property owners and Texas realtors.
Okay. You mentioned the website earlier, so let's just kind of recap. What kind of information can consumers find on the TREC website?
The website contains a lot of good information under 8 categories, including home, which enables a person to find out whether a sales agent is licensed by the Texas Real Estate Commission. Also, you will find on the homepage frequently asked questions and hot topics. Under the Contact and Agency Information tab, you have the agency's main telephone number as well as a list of all its divisions. Under the tab of Inspector Information, you have specific information concerning inspectors, inspections, as well as the complete rules governing inspectors. Under the Complaints Consumer Information, it provides information on what the Texas Real Estate Commission regulates, as well as filing a complaint, disciplinary history, and home warranty information.
Okay, TREC has an important relationship with 3 other agencies. Can you tell us what those other 3 agencies are?
Yes. TREC has an important relationship with 3 other agencies, which is statutory in nature. The Texas Real Estate Commission partners with the Real Estate Center at Texas A&M University on research and education projects.
Recon.
TREC also appoints 2 members to the Mortgage Broker Advisory Committee of the Texas Department of Savings and Mortgage Lending and cooperates with that agency on issues affecting real estate license holders and mortgage brokers.
So that has to do with lending.
Yes.
Okay.
TREC also provides administrative support to the Texas Appraiser Licensing and Certification Board. And those are the 3 main agencies that TREC has relationships with.
All right. Thank you so much for coming on today. We appreciate this clarification about the Texas Real Estate Commissioner, and we appreciate you serving as a commissioner here in Texas. The website, again, is trec.state.tx.us. Lots of great information there. TREC is TREC.state.tx.us. You can look up any licensee there and get their license number as well. I think pretty much everybody knows that. It's very easy to look up a real estate company or a licensee there. So we appreciate you, Rayito Stephens, coming in, and we'll be right back after a word from our sponsors here on Houston Real Estate Radio.
Imagine you and your family return from a tropical vacation to find that one of your pipes burst, flooding your entire house. Are you fully covered? Will you only receive $100 for your TV that cost you $2,000 just 2 years ago? Will your insurance company pay for you to live in a hotel while your home is being repaired? What if on that same trip you lose your wedding ring? Will your home insurance coverage replace that as well? All insurance policies are not created equal. If you don't know the answer to these questions, you're not alone. Most people don't understand the gaps in their coverage until it's too late. Call Goosehead Insurance today and let one of our agents review your current policy to ensure that you are fully covered. At Goosehead Insurance, we understand the power of choice. Instead of working for a single insurance company, our agents have access to over 20 A-rated carriers. This allows us to craft a policy to fit your particular lifestyle, budget, and needs. It also enables us to reshop your policy in the future, if necessary, saving you time and money. No need to look for another agent. At Goosehead, we've got you covered. Our agents will walk you through each policy decision so that you have the coverage you need. If that's not reason enough, talk to one of our happy clients. Our client satisfaction scores are 3 times the industry average. To experience the Goosehead Insurance difference, visit us online at goosehead.com or call us at 800-474-1377.